You know, a YouTuber is serious when he or she has his own shopping cart or grocery cart at home to carry all the stuff that arrives from downstairs up here to unbox. O, di ba? Panalo! Zalora! Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. So I just received a delivery of stuff that I bought from Zalora. So these are a mix of face masks, really nice sneakers from Adidas and Nike. And man, I just checked the Zalora website and it turns out that all the stuff that I bought for retail is now discounted. So for today's vlog, we're going to unbox the haul and then I'm going to share with you what I think are really good Christmas buys from Zalora, especially since they are having their great Christmas sale this December 12. So if you find that interesting, if you're looking for great deals, this is the vlog for you. Let's go. Now, before we get started, let me just remind you that we have a bunch of ongoing giveaways, which include new smartphones, true wireless earphones, as well as a smartwatch from Realme. So the draw will happen on December 12. So that's just, well, a day away. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, follow me on Instagram, and then hit the link down below for the mechanics of our giveaway. Good luck. Okay, now before we get to the shoes, which I'll be unboxing in a bit, one of the best gifts that you can get somebody for Christmas today or even get for yourself is a really nice comfortable face mask. Why? Because we will be wearing face masks for the foreseeable future here in the Philippines because of COVID and the pandemic. And I did a recent unboxing of this. This is the Under Armour face mask. Now, in terms of features, the Under Armour face masks has several. It's 3-ply, which means that it will properly protect you. It's very comfortable, especially for the ear loops that they use. And it uses some sort of like ISO chill technology for the inner layer, which keeps your mouth area or the lower half of your face cool. So I bought this for retail, 1,395, but you can actually buy this in different colors, in different sizes, on Zalora, on the Under Armour shop at a discount. O di ba binili ko ng retail, several masks, tas yung pala discounted just sa Zalora. So make sure that if you guys are thinking of buying a face mask for yourself, or if you want to give face masks as gifts to your friends, loved ones, even your kids, whoever it is that you want to bless with a face mask, consider giving them this from Zalora. And apart from face masks, another great gift that you guys can consider giving is the gift of smelling good. So fragrances. And when it comes to fragrances, there are not a lot available on Zalora that I would actually recommend. But there is one really great fragrance for men that's available, which is Mont Blanc Explorer. So Mont Blanc Explorer reminds me a lot of this, which is Creed Aventus. Creed Aventus is like, for me, the best men's fragrance that you can buy today. But this one is like 17,000 pesos. Para sa pabango, di ba wild? Now, the Mont Blanc Explorer is like 5,000 and it's even on discount. The link to that and the Under Armour mask that I just mentioned on Zalora can be found down below. Okay, so let's get to the shoes. So we have over here the Zalora packaging. I don't know which one is this particular sneaker, but let's just tear it apart. By the way, Nike sneakers are like almost 50% off, as well as Adidas and a bunch of other brands. So make sure that you guys check out the sneakers that are available for discount on Zalora. Sobrang ganda din na selection nila. So this one, I know this one. This is the Adidas Star Wars Superstar. I think this is like the Darth Vader sneaker. Yep, this is the Darth Vader Adidas Superstar. So if you have a friend or if you are a fan of Star Wars and you love Darth Vader, this is the sneaker to wear. So let's pop the box open. I've been wanting the shoe for the longest time now, and I've been trying to look for it on physical retail shops, but apparently it's just sitting on Zalora. I bought this at full price, 7,000, but you can actually get this, I think, for like less than 5,000 pesos right now with their great Christmas sales. So again, great gift for yourself, or if you want to give your Star Wars friend, your father, your best friend, your brother, whoever it is, like the gift of Darth Vader. Dun, 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 dun. Kulit. So guys, here's a closer look. This is the Darth Vader Adidas Superstar. So as you can see, you have the helmet of Darth Vader on the toe box. and you have the texture on the medial and lateral side, which is very similar to his body armor. So that's what you usually find. You have his face on the tongue tab, Adidas logo at the back, Star Wars Dubray, and man, you have patent leather for the 3 stripes. It looks really nice. And if you take a look at the bottom, it actually says over here for the left pair, your father, and on the right pair, it should say I am. So that's the classic scene wherein Darth Vader revealed to Luke Skywalker that he was the father of Luke. And yeah, it's a really nice pair. Also comes with extra Dubray. So one over here actually says Vader, and the other one it probably says Darth. So yeah, so you can mix and match it up. Really nice sneaker. Again, you can get it at discount from Zalora. Sneaker number 2, I have no idea again what this is. These are some of the purchases that I bought from the last few weeks. So again, looks like we have, well, not again, we have a Nike sneaker. This one is the P6000. So I bought this because I read when I was doing my unboxing for the new Nike Sakais that this was one of the OG silhouettes that it took inspiration from. So I just wanted to buy the shoe that inspired the new Nike Sakai collaboration. So again, if you want to buy your sneakerhead friends a gift and you want like some sort of talking point when you give the gift that's not expensive, get them this. So if you can't get them the Sakai, get them the sneaker that inspired the latest Sakai, which is the P6000, which is a running shoe from Nike. So you can see from the colors, it's very similar to the blue, red, and white Sakai that I unboxed in a previous episode. So really nice, comfortable sneaker, very thick midsole. Excited to put this on feet and try it out. Now this one, I'm excited. I have a very good idea what this is. This should be an Air Force One React, one of the latest Air Force One Reacts that Nike came out with. And let's just pop the box open. I'll remove the packaging. This one again I got this for retail or maybe just a very small discount. Now you can get it at a massive markdown. So make sure to check the links out to the sneakers that I'm unboxing. This listed down below in the description box. So this is the Nike Air Force One React LV8. I think that's what they call it. So here you have the shoe. So you have some sort of like textured transparent swoosh, some sort of like colorful eye stays over here, and this one has the React insoles. Again, one of the most comfortable sneakers that Nike has ever come out with this year, the Nike Air Force One React, in a much more different, vibrant, and colorful styling, but still easy to wear because of the dominant white leather upper. So again, this one will be putting on feet. Super love the Air Force One, super love the Air Force One React, and you can actually get this again at a massive markdown right now on Zalora. Now, apart from sneakers, apart from face masks, apart from fragrances, you can also consider giving somebody a nice, affordable timepiece, a watch. So I'm a huge fan of watches these days. This is the Orient M-Force, one of the latest Orient watches to release. Super nice watch. I'll link down below to my unboxing. And Zalora actually has a great selection of watches from brands such as Seiko, Casio, G-Shock. Now, there are a lot of watches that you can buy, different price points, different looks. This one, if I'm not mistaken, is a really nice Seiko 5 that can actually look really well as a work watch. So it actually has a very wide diameter, which is how I love my watches. Has a transparent case back, so you can take a look at the automatic movement. And man, it even shows you what the actual movement looks like from the dial itself. It's a really nice piece. Again, you can get somebody a really nice watch for under 10,000, sometimes even less than 5,000 on Zalora, especially now. This is really nice. I will be putting this on my watch vlog, so watch out for that video coming really soon. By the way, speaking of watches, the Street Fighter Seiko collection is available and they are on discount, so you might want to consider giving that if you have a friend who is a Street Fighter fan. And I also saw a bunch of really dope Puma sneakers with Japanese characters on the side, which just elevates the overall look and style of the shoes. And they sell for less than 5,000 pesos. So guys, the point is, Zalora has a great selection of products ranging from sneakers to face masks, fragrances. Of course, you can even get them like clothes and watches. So expand the places that you're looking into to buy gifts for people or gifts for yourself, and make sure that you make the most of all the discounts that will happen on December 12 for the Zalora Great Christmas Sale. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.